How to turn on autoplay in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use this feature. First of all, open the application. So now I have clicked on one of the videos that I'm watching. So how you can use this autoplay feature. Now here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon, and on the top there's a section called autoplay. Now if you tap on it, this feature has been added on. So what does this autoplay do? Basically, when you're watching a video and it finishes or ends, another video will play automatically. Basically, you can use this feature when your kids are watching YouTube. So after the video ends, it will automatically pause, but if you have this feature on, another video will play and get the child involved in it. So you're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.